Triceratops has a few large spikes on its back. And its much large tail. It has a crown of spikes on it also. And a much large head. It's a couple feet tall and likes to eat babies. Its enemy, the prehistoric crocodile, stands no chance against its large plated tail.
T-Rex. The T-Rex has some pretty little arms, but its head is pretty large. It eats band-aids mostly, but it also eats other dinosaurs, so you could pretty much call it a vampire. Dead animal. Reechard. Reechard is a pretty average kid. Probably gets straight C's in school. Some of his hobbies are trying on the clothes that Hollister and Abercrombie kids, but never actually buying anything. Playing back on the buckle, but only getting halfway through because he gets tired. You can find Richard at the Boys and Girls Club after school, schooling the 4th graders at basketball. Or, at least trying to. Reechard loves beating up his dad and throwing apples at his face. A few of his fears are escalators, the rides are worlds of fun, and heights. Mostly, Reechard thinks he's better than everyone at everything, but he usually quits everything. For example, he quit football, wrestling, but not basketball. During basketball, he got kicked out of most of his games. Well, half of them. Because he cussed out our principal and threw a rock at him. You can also find Reechard at Stephen Barry's, waiting for it to reopen. Or at skating on the bleachers, texting, or trying to get a girlfriend. But every day, you can pretty much find Reechard running to school at 7:59 with his backpack dragging behind him. Yeah, and that's pretty much it.